Have you heard about CBT, cognitive behavior therapy? Of course, you must have, because once you have looked for your mental wellness, you must have heard the most common therapy, that is REBT or CBT, and maybe you might have followed this technique for your betterment. So, friends, now I am conducting a very interesting webinar on cognitive behavior techniques on 26th June at 11 a.m. and would request all of you to register and have a very learning session, an interactive session to understand CBT. As all of you are aware that CBT is the first best therapy which an individual can use for its own help. And of course, for the clients also, it becomes very easy because they are themselves able to adopt these techniques, work on them, and get out of lot of mental and lot of problems. So therefore, we would love to have an interactive session on 26th June on CBT, and to tell you that this particular webinar, and of course all the webinars which are going to happen in coming months, will have a very unique feature. You all must have attended my number of webinars in past, but now onwards, we will be having a very meaningful webinar on each Saturday, and we would be enrolling the people who are genuinely interested in that particular topic. And after that webinar, we will be associated with the particular person for 1 month, giving them exercises and taking their feedback, taking their questions, interacting with them, and subsequently, by end of 1 month, we will have a 30 minutes free session where we can clarify your doubts and corroborate your points and your views on particular topic, but this time it will be CBT. So let's join us on 26/11. Get yourself registered. Don't delay, because we are enrolling very few people so that it can be more meaningful, more interactive, and you can learn the best about CBT, cognitive behavior techniques. So let's meet on 26th June. Thank you.